This is one of these videos where you got the answer in the thumbnail. So what I call clinky clonk, it's a clonk 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 clonk, not too loud, and it does happen in very specific situation at the beginning. Usually you will get it in warm weather, hot weather, never in winter time, at start at least. And it happens over small bumps. And in my situation, my city, also when I go uphill, I have quite a few steep slopes. After that, it starts making the noise. So it's not a constant noise, and as you can imagine, it's caused by these bushings which wear off. One of the things is that replacing this bar is not an easy job. You need to lower the rear of the subframe, detach the exhaust. There are hoses, there are brake hoses, evap, fuel hoses, end links needs detached. So also you need to lower pretty low. There's quite a few things. Now this is what Volvo did, is that at the beginning they put these bushings, and it's a little bit difficult to figure out is it worn or not. Usually when you actually lift the car, you will see this bushing. Perhaps it will start making a gap at the top, and it feels like it's crushed at the bottom. Maybe that's an indication. I would say you should expect that after 120,000 miles, but it depends on the driving. And Volvo did improve the bushings somewhere perhaps 2005, 6 or 7, and the difference, if you look, it's right here. You see this small lip here, you don't have it in there. It does not it's not this that fixes the problem. It's just so you can recognize which one is the improved version. This one is the better one, and perhaps the rubber also is stiffer. Now also one of the things, these kind of brackets, the way they look, they do not split open like you see it now. It's welded together, so you need to cut it off if you want to replace the bushing alone. And I would not recommend trying to put those polyurethane, because they may work for 1 year, then you need to re-grease them. They may make more noise than it was before. So ideally is to replace the whole bar, and check out the cars at the junkyards somewhere around 2006 and up somewhere. Now yeah, I have a number on this one. Maybe I can just try to measure the, I don't know about the diameter. So this is the front one, right? I would say in millimeters looks to be 23 and somewhere, yeah, 23 something. I think this one is the same. Let's see. Well, this one, yeah, the same, pretty much the same, 23 something. This one, by the way, it's much heavier than this older one. It's significantly heavier. I would say at least half weight more than this one, although the size looks the same. When you detach them, this is going to be the lower bolt on the end link. Do not even try to put the socket towards to keep it from rotating. It's going to damage your socket. This says get the grinder, chop it off at the bottom. So call it a day with that. So yes, it's I would say it's just a matter of noise. It's not going to change or improve your driving by any like huge amount if you replace it with a new bar or a better condition one. It's all a matter of noise, and again, it's going to happen. It's like you can hear it pretty clear, like a look. It's difficult, if not impossible, to record it to camera. But again, it starts in summer days, hot days, if you climb hills too. And yeah, this is it. These bars are pretty expensive from Volvo, 150 so. I know IPD also makes them, but I don't know, that price I will go with Volvo if you really want to fix it. If I forget anything, I will just put it in comment sections.